The XRP coin, like other coins on the crypto market, suffered losses in 2022. Because the price of XRP has fallen from 84 cents to 34 cents in the last year. The losses were substantial, but in comparison to many other coins, they were relatively minor. However, this was also since the XRP coin's all-time high was in 2018, and the price came from a lower level. Welcome to XRP Insider. We provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. The first half of 2022 saw particularly severe losses. By mid-June, the XRP price had fallen to 30 cents. However, the price began to level off in the second half of the year. We then saw another significant price increase to $0.53 at the end of September. The FTX crisis triggered a decline to 33 cents, worsening the Ripple XRP prediction for the end of 2022. In recent days, the price has reinforced at 34 cents. The XRP price increased by more than 60% in September 2022. This surge occurred at a time when few other cryptocurrencies were experiencing price increases. This was primarily due to good news about the legal dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States. For more than 2 years, the XRP price has been influenced by the dispute between Ripple and the SEC. More information about the lawsuit can be found in this article. When there are allegedly exculpatory facts for Ripple, or when the SEC is forced to release exculpatory documents in court, we see relatively strong price increases. This could happen again in the coming year 2023. However, a guilty verdict against Ripple could destabilize the XRP price. With the Ripple XRP forecast for 2023, we should keep that in mind. The crypto market may see rising prices again in 2023. However, predicting Ripple XRP is more challenging, because the legal fight with the SEC is crucial. After several delays, a decision is anticipated in 2023. We want to predicate our Ripple XRP prediction on the eventual result of the court case. To do so, we'd like to look at two types of situations, positive and negative. If the legal battle is won, the XRP price could skyrocket in 2023. We must keep in mind that the market as a whole may rise in the medium term, as it did 4 years ago. At the time, the value of Bitcoin had tripled. If this happens again, altcoins could increase by a factor of 3 to 5. If Ripple is found not guilty, the XRP price could rise even further. However, after such an increase, a year-end consolidation becomes more likely. We are assuming a Ripple XRP forecast of $1.20 to $1.60 by the end of 2023. If Ripple loses its lawsuit against the SEC, the future of XRP looks very bad. As a result, XRP would be categorized as a security. The firm would almost definitely face severe consequences, and faith in the XRP coin would be severely rattled. In this case, we anticipate the price to drop. Ripple XRP is predicted to be worth 5 cents to 10 cents by the end of 2023. You must determine whether an investment in the XRP coin is worthwhile for yourself. Because the risk of an implosion of the XRP price after a guilty verdict remains. You could gain a lot if you were willing to take that risk. Just keep in mind that you could also lose a lot of money. Ripple might have just recorded a game-changing milestone, following the recent statements made by a U.S. Department of Justice, Judge Annalisa Torres. If Judge Torres' statements are cited by Ripple's lawyers, it could make a case for Ripple in the long term. On the 27th of December, Avram Eisenberg, a cryptocurrency trader, was arrested. Eisenberg was accused of attacking the Mango Markets exchange. His involvement in the exploitation caused the exchange to lose a staggering $110 million. The U.S. Department of Justice lawyers are labeling the two cryptocurrencies involved in the exploitation as commodities. Throughout the progression of the indictment, the DOJ maintains that neither MNGO nor CRV is security. It categorizes both tokens as commodities on many different occasions. The classification of both assets as commodities might be favorable for Ripple. In its case against the SEC, which refers to the XRP as a security, citations of the DOJ saying otherwise might hold weight for Ripple. If Ripple's lawyers were to put the DOJ's statement into play, they might argue that the SEC should backtrack on its strict labeling of the XRP. If the DOJ can categorize the aforementioned tokens as commodities, the lawyers might appeal for Ripple. XRP might also be considered as anything but a security. Notably, the court in which the SEC versus Ripple case is currently being held at is the same court behind the document filings for Avram Eisenberg's indictment. Meanwhile, in response, pushing back on the excitement that followed the recent update, Delphi Labs' Gabriel Shapiro insists that the development is not bullish in any way. He goes over this in a tweet, saying, "The fact that the case doesn't characterize the relevant tokens as securities is not in any way bullish/positive and merely arises from litigation strategy. The fewer predicate issues the government has to litigate in its case, the better." Nonetheless, Ripple continues to thrive as a blockchain, despite its lingering court case with the SEC. Per recent reports, Ripple is set to be partnering with Palau to launch a national stablecoin for the country. This one is amongst a handful of partnerships that the Ripple network has secured in 2022 alone. In the years to come, Ripple's adoption across the globe could continue to soar. Meanwhile, at press time, Ripple XRP is up 0.22% in the last 1 hour. The altcoin is among few others recording daily gains. XRP's price value is currently at 34 cents, although its 24-hour price decline is over 4%. After being sued by the SEC in December 2020, Ripple Labs and CEO Brad Garlinghouse faced mounting difficulties the following year. This past year, however, the company and its chief executive experienced several more encouraging events. These are the top 5 crypto wins for Ripple and CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Last year, Ripple launched a $250 million creator fund to facilitate use cases for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on its XRP ledger. Ripple said the fund would provide targeted support for creators, brands, and marketplaces to develop NFTs on the XRPL. Through this fund, Ripple announced that it had on board some 4,000 artists, musicians, game designers, and creators in March this year. Author and producer Justin Bua, filmmaker Steven Sebring, and Xpunks were among some of the artists on board. Additional marketplaces and creative agencies NFT Pro, Eternal Labs, and OnXRP helped optimize the NFT experience on XRPL for users. This partnership allows us to bolster the Web3 ecosystem by pioneering cross-chain interoperability and bringing NFTs and digital assets to the masses, said Nick Rose, Eternal Labs CEO and founder. Regarding its ongoing case with the Securities and Exchange Commission, Ripple achieved a significant victory earlier this year. In October, the court compelled the SEC to relinquish documents Ripple had requested 6 times before. The so-called Hinman documents revealed the SEC's comments on a speech by the former director of the Corporate Finance Division, William Hinman. In the speech, Hinman said that while he previously considered Ethereum a security, his later understanding of the blockchain-based transactions led him to believe that current offers and sales of Ether are not securities transactions. Ripple had sought the release of these notes, believing they demonstrate the SEC's awareness of Hinman's claim that Ethereum is not a security. Applying a similar principle, Ripple believes this would strengthen its case that XRP should not be considered a security. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderety announced the development on Twitter on October 20th. Garlinghouse later shared the tweet, admonishing the SEC for their shamefulness in the process. "We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door." See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.